In this video, I show you how simple it is to set up and start a heat cycle on 3 channels using the 7-inch embedded touchscreen on the controller. Press on the master channels number to bring up the channel setting. Select the mode you want. Preheat is selected here. Enter the cycle parameters now. Press Set Slaves button and select all the slave channels you want. Press Done to go back to the home screen. Press Start to start the cycle. That is it. The cycle is running. Clicking on the chart button for the channel brings up the cycle chart. It automatically adds all slave channels to the chart. Thank you for watching. Please check out the rest of the video tutorials on how to use the user-friendly HeatView software, or go to heatview.ca and click on the Contact Us button if you need any more support.